And now on to the English Channel forecast, including Jersey Shore. Winds heavy, strong, turbulent, coolie, violent, fair to breeze at times. At midday there will be waves, drifting away, slowly drifting. At sunset, a participation will bring gas clouds from Endor in a galaxy far, far away. Rain, cats and dogs, hail, like Mary, and snow festive, with mist similar to an old film. Irish Sea, brown to sepia, with strongly smelling fish. Air pressure dropping at 1400 hours, giving weightlessness to vessels and floating sea women and sea gentlemen. The North Sea will be absent from early mid-morning to around tea time, causing concern to Scots. A magnificent swell will arrive at supper time, which will affect seagulls' appetites. Later on,
Hi, this is Jack Palm, and we've got some new music from a local band now. They're a metal band from Liverpool named Oceanus, and this is their new EP, a song called Ethereal.
thank you for that. And I think you'll find you pronounce it ethereal. Good night.
Something burns inside.